up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So DFS, today I am going to review about Edge Video AI. So this is an awesome project and it have a lot of features, so I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are a new on my YouTube channel Pro Asghar Habib, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it, you will come here and join this amazing platform. Take your viewers to the edge and dear friends, experience total impressive entertainment with Edge Video's QR powered interactive content and real-time AI, so transforming passive viewing into a rewarding experience. Now you can also connect your wallet right here and claim your public username right now. So first of all, here you need to connect your wallet. I have already connected my wallet, and then you simply click on claim public username here, and then here you need to enter your public username and email address, and here you need to enter your mobile number, and you can choose your country in which you living here, and then you simply submit here. So you can activate wallet, and after filling this form, a 4-digit code will be sent to your phone number, and you can also scan QR code to second screen and enter the code to complete the activation, and then you can claim your public username right now here. So here you can also claim public username by connecting wallet easily. So here you can also play and win a lot of profit, a lot of massive potential here. You can also check out all here, and let's skimming here. Now here you can also learn more about engaging. So now you can also scan to play and win. So dear friends, you can scan the QRC code in Steam viewer with your mobile phone camera to start playing with Edge Video right now. So content that feels alive. So Edge Video's QR overly beams interactive games and challenging straight through your fast channel stream. So engage, entertain, reward. The Edge ecosystem is here. Turn your passive viewers into active participation right now. You can interact games like the reviewers, play along with the actions, complete with the others, and earn get prize watching their favorite streams as well. So you can also build community that grow your channel organically through Edge Video social gaming models as well. Here you can also check out the benefits. You can watch, want, and shop. So seamlessly integrated a powered shopping for you stream that viewers can see, browse, and access without missing a minute. AI powered content give your audience with they want as well. Now you can also collect points and redeem them for fast token. So I will tell you how can you also buy fast token on Gate.io, and its listing on other exchange will be very soon. And here we can also check out more information about this project as well. So here we can also learn about the entertain. So depends entertainment engaging. So audience want more from their content, give it to them. So who is the current commissioner of the net? Here you can also make a choice here as well, and activate viewers are so far likely to tune in, stay tuned in, and organically build your channel and revenue. So Edge is an instant solution for business wanting to build engage outreach throughout their content distributions network. So there is no fees, revenue sharing model without setup or monthly fees as well. So you can also scan QRC code seamlessly integrated Edge benefit directly into your stream right now. Here you can also check out, you can also one QR code, unlimited possibilities here. So Edge Video's interactive ecosystem is access through QR overlay that deliver Edge entire suite of product directly into your stream. No mess, no fuss as well. Now you can also check out AI driven shopping, be the gateway to Web3 and touch every edge right now with the help of Edge Video AI as well. Transfer your stream now, engage, interact, and shop with Edge Video right now, and you can also connect with them as now. Here we can also check out learn more information about fast token track into Web3. So expose your audience to tokenized entertainment viewers and points watching and interacting with content that they can convert into fast tokens. So ownership at the edge. So viewers use fast token to interact with the edge ecosystem and beyond. Game stake, refer, tip and trade fast token as well. Now collaborate economics. So fast token earns a protocol revenue, creating broad network of share ownership economics across all fast channels as well. So dear friends, the fast token you can also find on Coin Market Cap, and here you can also analyze price chart, and you can also check out its current price is $0.0663 as well. Here you can also check out the market cap is $1.34 million, and you can also check out 24-hour volume is also pretty good, and you can also check out analyze and DFS. You can also find out about Alvidian market, and you can also trade on Gate.io as well, and it will be very soon available on Maxi Global Exchange as well. Now come on the Gate.io. Here you can also check out with USDT pair, and you can also analyze price chart here. And defense, you know the Gate.io and Coin Market Cap are very reliable and trusted exchange, and here you can also trade, and you can also buy or sell here, and you can also use this fast token with live stream, as well as you can also buy or sell as well. Stay updated with Edge videos. Now here you need to enter your email and submit, and you will be able to get all latest updates, news and feature related to this amazing project. Now transfer your stream today right now here, and you can also check out the clients review viewers who are already using Edge video, and you can also check they are talking about very positively about this project as well. Now here you can also check out their social link to get more information and get latest news as well. So here if you come on the kick.com, here you can also check out its streaming, its detail is live here. You can also check out, so the result is very HD, very clear and amazing. You can also check out, and other our parties are watching here. You can also check our information, features, viewers detail as well, and you can also check out about living as well. So Edge video user AI and Web3 to stream, transfer any TV stream into an attractive, shoppable, gamified and rewarding user experience right now. Here you can also find out their official links, and you can also find out all official link in my video description as well. So this is an awesome. So you can also come on kick.com, and you can also find and check out all information. So definitely if you come on the Finceptor, here you can also check out the Edge video fast as well. So now you can also here utilize AI to convert any stream into an engaging, revenue generating and incentivizing user experience. Now here you can also check registration period is here. You can also get registered right now here already, and you can also check granted allocations fund, first come first serve detail, and visiting period is here. You can also check that. So you can also check out all information here, how much people are buying and getting money here. You can also check all information on here as well. I also recommend it to all of you, all my community, all my friends. So must be join its Telegram to get latest news and updates, and you can unlock impressive entertainment with Edge videos, interact content and real-time AI. So here passive rewarding viewing, here you can come here and join, must be. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be follow them on their Twitter account and get latest news and updates. So using AI to transfer any stream into interactive revenue generating user experience, shoppable TV beta test now live, you can try here. So you can also participate in TV beta test right now, and you can also check out all information here as well. So definitely this is an awesome project, and I recommend it to all of you, must be participate here, and you will be able to check out all information, and you can find out all official link in my video description. So dear friends, I hope you like this video and share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.